Imagine getting sick at 3 a.m. You open an app, and within seconds you're being treated by a doctor who never sleeps, never gets tired, and is right 9 out of 10 times, and who isn't human. This isn't a movie. It's happening right now in China. And what the headlines are telling you about this hospital isn't exactly what's really going on. I'm going to show you the hospital that's redefining medicine. Doctors made entirely of artificial intelligence, capable of doing in days what it would take a human doctor 2 years to accomplish. But I'm also going to show you the part almost no one is talking about. And at the end, I'm going to ask you a question you've probably never considered about your own health. It's called Agent Hospital, and it was born at one of China's most important research centers, Tsinghua University in Beijing. There, a team of scientists created something that sounds straight out of science fiction, a hospital where the entire staff, doctors, nurses, even the patients, are generated by artificial intelligence. It started with 14 virtual doctors. Today there are already 42, spread across 21 medical specialties, from general medicine to ophthalmology and radiology. And the numbers are hard to believe. 93.06% diagnostic accuracy, the ability to handle up to 10,000 cases in a matter of days, running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with no breaks, no shifts, no burnout. To put that in perspective, what this system achieves in days would take a normal human hospital at least 2 years. Now here's the part that most videos and headlines aren't telling you. Agent Hospital isn't treating real human patients. Not yet. It's a fully simulated environment. The patients who arrive at this hospital are also generated by AI. It's quite literally a fake hospital built for one purpose only. So these virtual doctors can learn, make mistakes, correct them, and evolve without putting a single real person at risk. Why is this actually more impressive than the myth? Because it means China isn't recklessly launching a robot hospital on the world. It's quietly building the largest medical training simulator ever created. Something like a flight simulator, but for saving real lives later. And this is already paying off. At real hospitals like Rujin in Shanghai, AI is already analyzing 3,000 lab samples a day. At Shanghai's 6th hospital, real-time AI workstations are already reducing diagnostic errors. The hospital with no humans isn't replacing doctors yet. It's training the AI army that, in a few years, will be working alongside them. And even though it might sound far away, this has a direct impact on something you probably care about. Access to healthcare in remote areas where specialists aren't available. People with limited mobility who currently can't get to a hospital. Shorter wait times, which in many countries stretch into months. The promise isn't to replace doctors. The promise is that no human being should ever die again simply because they didn't have access to a diagnosis in time. But here's the question I want to leave you with. If an AI system diagnoses more accurately than many humans, would you trust your diagnosis to a machine that never sleeps, but also never looks you in the eye? China is betting big, an estimated investment of more than $1.4 trillion in AI by 2030. But even so, only 0.7% of the country's national healthcare system has adopted these technologies. We're still just at the beginning. Agent Hospital isn't the future the headlines sold you. It's something even more interesting. The silent laboratory where tomorrow's medicine is being trained right now. And the question is no longer whether artificial intelligence will reach your hospital's waiting room. The question is, when it does, will you be ready to trust it? Leave your answer in the comments. I really want to read it. And if this video blew your mind as much as it blew mine researching it, you know what comes next. Subscribe.